I'm Chandler Miller. I'm the Sales, Branding, and Marketing Specialist here at Expedited Service Partners. My background is in marketing and media, brand development, and project management. I worked alongside interior designers in the lifestyle and fashion industries in order to help build their brands. I also oversaw and executed high-profile events nationally. I'm originally from South Carolina, but I grew up in a little town called Plano. I attended the University of Arkansas, and after that, I made my way back to Dallas, where my family, friends, and fiance currently reside. When I first was interested in ESP, it was after meeting Chris, the owner. I really was just intrigued by his drive and by all of the things I knew he was out there doing to help other people. Once I kind of dug in a little bit and got to meet more of the team, I could just tell how good of people and how kind-hearted everyone was. I knew that I wanted to work alongside people that had all of these morals that aligned with mine. I feel comfortable and secure with all of these people. I really take customer service and customer care seriously and personally within my own life. And that was one of the things that really drew me to ESP, is their desire to also take care of their customers. We want every client and every customer to have a personal relationship and feel like they have a personal connection, because that's how we feel with them. So my goal is to drive that home and make sure that every single person we're in contact with feels that from start to completion within the jobs that we provide for them. My first trip to an ESP job site was interesting. I didn't really know what to expect. It was such a well-oiled machine. Everyone was there with a purpose, doing what they had to do, working efficiently to solve the problem that they were focusing on. One thing I thought was especially cool was that our ESP guys kind of know a little bit about everything. They got asked so many questions and were there to really help any area of the building that needed help, and every man that needed help, they helped.